Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope that everyone is doing good. And today I will show you a facial kit and review it as well. It's from a new brand called Muicin, and if you know me then you know that I love facial kits because it gives a break from going to the salons. So to know all about it, stay with me till the end of the video. But like always, before we start, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to my channel to show support, and let's get started. Let's unbox it, and it comes in a medium size box, and I'm going to use it for the very first time in this video. And this facial kit is basically the rice extract fair and flawless mucin facial kit. And now let's open it. And here is the thank you card on top. And I was really happy by the product quantity and the fact that they have given so many things in it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there was a serum as well. And I really like the quantity. It's enough to last for months, easily for 2-3 months, and for 5 facials I guess, which is a really good thing because the kit is very affordable. So yeah, price wise full marks. And now let's start the facial. So the first step is the rice cleanser because it's a rice facial, and it comes like in a white color, and the texture is non-grainy and it smells incredible. So yeah, one thing that I've observed in it is that the brand says that you have to apply it just like that without using water, but clearly it's not making any lather on my face. So I use a little bit of water and then it worked like normal facial cleansers, and it was enough to remove all my dirt because I took a lot of quantity. And don't forget the neck whenever you're using any skincare product. So here I am using it on the neck. It's really nice. I really like the light texture. And now is the second part, that's the rice scrub, and it has really wowed me because it is pretty light. And now it's yeah, the texture is so light it's almost like water. I think that it is rice water because when I was using it on my face I could just feel little rice grains, and I'll show you. And the trick is to go like gently all over your face, especially on those areas where are prone to have whiteheads, and this step actually removes all the dirt and the dead skin, sorry. Yeah, so here I'm using it on my nose as well. And rice is really great for skin, and you can see the small granules of rice over here. So these are the granules, and it actually removed all my dead skin. And yes, again, one thing that you have to remember, that the brand says that you do not have to remove it or rinse your face. So don't rinse your face, just have to scrub, directly use this mask. And this mask is just like the scrub, like so similar. I don't understand that. What's the difference? Only thing that it is less grainy. And if you do not read the name on the tube, then you will mistake it for the scrub. And I really find the mask to be very refreshing and soothing. It feels very cool on the skin. And usually the mask is always the final step, but over here in Muicin it's something really different. After the scrub you have just applied the mask, and do not smile while using this mask, but I could not stop myself. and the brand says that you have to remove it with a moisturizing cream or with tissue, which is something very weird. I don't understand it because I have acne prone skin, so I cannot use moisturizing cream. So here I am removing it with a wet cotton. And the next step is a rice polish. So the polish is used after the mask, another twist in the steps. And the polish is white, more like a rice paste, I think. And the consistency is like medium, not too thin, not too thick. And the brand says that you have to go in circular motion all over your face. And again, it smells incredible. I really like it that all the products in this facial kit, they smell really good. I like it. I like to have some sort of a refreshing fragrance in skincare products. And you have to go really gentle in circular motion, like how I'm doing over here, all over your face. Don't forget the neck. And I don't understand that why they have used the polish step after the mask. Probably to remove any dead skin that the scrub might have left, and to give shine to the face. But I don't know, I mean, it didn't do anything for me. My skin felt the same. Till now, the thing that I like most is the cleanser and the scrub, of course. And now after the polish, you have to rinse it. You can just leave the polish for like 5 minutes or so. And here is the relaxing part, the massage cream. Although the massage happens good when someone else does it for you. But here I am doing it for you all by myself. And you have to take a really less quantity of the massage cream, even if you have dry skin. But if you have oily and acne prone skin, then definitely take really little amount, enough to relax and moisturize your face, but don't make it too oily. And after the massage cream, you have to rinse your face again. And here is the serum. I would have preferred taking a shower after the massage cream and then, as a final step, use the serum, but I was pressed for time and I had to do it. Complete the video. So here I am using the serum. The serum is very light. It says that the serum actually prevents discoloration and acne marks. And here I'm using for the very first time, so I cannot comment on that, but it is really light, though it is a little bit oily, probably because I've taken a lot of quantity. But yes, use less quantity. So this brings us to the end of the video, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. And I just need to take a shower after all this facial. And my opinion about this product is it seems pretty fine. The quantity is good, but I think what they have done with the marketing strategy is not good. I mean, I don't know why they have used the name Muicin Germany when it's a Pakistani product. I mean, you can just go ahead and use in Pakistan as well. I don't know why, what's the need for it? So yeah, that's something that it's like didn't click well with me. But overall, I think it's you can give it a try. Definitely something very unique as far as the steps are concerned, and it did made me feel very refreshed. So yeah, give it a try if you feel like it. And if you want to know more, you can go to my website aichablogs.com. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys and ciao.